lecture, lecture, lecture.
lecturing, lectured, lectures.
Noun. 1.
A speech that is open to the public.
2.
A lengthy rebuke.
3.
Teaching by giving a discourse on some subject, typically to a class.
Verb.
1.
Deliver a lecture or talk.
2.
Censure severely or angrily.
Listen and practice.
He attended a lecture on telecommunications. He attended a lecture on telecommunications. A good lecture was my father's idea of discipline. A good lecture was my father's idea of discipline. Did you ever lecture at Harvard? Did you ever lecture at Harvard?
Lecture.